Although he's got more water. You know? Couple. Just a couple. You done? Hell no, he says. Is it? Really? Someone's eating it?
Get you tapped up and ready to...
Ready to ride? I got them all saddled up and everything.
What are you doing here?
Came by to see my buddy Henry. And you, of course, since you ran out of my place last night like a bat out of hell.
Well, I can't help it. I'm a busy girl.
That's why I came by.
You tell me that you had nothing better to do this morning than to come by here and hang out with my horse?
Well, there are a few things that come to mind.
Stop. We're not alone. Come on.
Oh, I don't think he minds.
Look, Derek. You and me, we're like vampires. True creatures of the night. That's when we really click.
But I'm not a vampire. This isn't Twilight. I'm just a normal guy who likes to do normal things. I wake up next to you in my bed, have breakfast together.
Well, I don't do breakfast.
Fine, how about a movie?
All right, fine. We'll do a movie. But just a movie. Doesn't include breakfast and bed. And I get to pick.
Of course you do. What's your war about little vampires? You make it a late show. So long,
It's
Henry.
done.
Get out of here.
So I think he's done.
The clothing
Getting full.
monster is holding this jersey hostage.
Mom, is it okay if the team sleeps over Saturday after the game?
I thought that Ben's mother was hosting that sleepover.
She got the flu.
Yeah, well, I have to work, you know? My busiest days are Saturdays.